Hello students, welcome to our in Disap Academy online classes. Dear student, in part 23 video, we have already solved a question of exercise 6.5 of NCERT book which is related to maxima and minima. Now student, in 24 video, we will solve question number 23 of exercise 6.5 of NCERT problem which is related to maxima and minima, and question is prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius capital R is 8/27 of the volume of the sphere. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर एक कोण है जो एक स्फीयर के अंदर रखा गया है और उस स्फीयर का रेडियस कैपिटल आर है। सॉल्यूशन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कंस्ट्रक्ट ए स्फीयर ऑफ रेडियस कैपिटल आर अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन। रेडियस ऑफ sphere is capital R, then volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Let this is equation number first. और इसमें एक कोण को इसके अंदर रखा गया, इस राइट में इसके अंदर कोण रखा गया है और हम सपोज कर ले रहे हैं इस कोण की हाइट स्मॉल h है। पहले इस कोण को ज्वाइन करेंगे। सपोज कर ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे इसका सेंटर है जिसको O से लिख रहे हैं, इसको C, B पॉइंट A। लेट हाइट ऑफ द कोन इज स्मॉल h एंड रेडियस ऑफ द कोन इज स्मॉल r। Now join O to B. O को B से हम लोग ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। तो इसका रेडियस R है तो ये कैपिटल R हो जाएगा। यहाँ से O से लेकर के A तक का डिस्टेंस कैपिटल R होगा और O से लेकर के B तक का भी कैपिटल R होगा जो कि रेडियस है। Then value of OC is ओवरऑल AC की वैल्यू स्मॉल h, AO की वैल्यू कैपिटल R है तो OC की वैल्यू हो जाएगा यहां से लेके यहां तक कैपिटल L स्मॉल h माइनस कैपिटल R। लेट रेडियस ऑफ कोन दैट मींस बेस रेडियस ऑफ कोन इज small r and height is small h। From figure स्टूडेंट ये एंगल 90 डिग्री होगा। इन ट्रायंगल OCB using Pythagoras theorem, then we get r square is equal to small r square plus small h minus capital R whole square. This implies that r square equal to r square plus a minus b whole square means h square plus r square minus 2hr. Capital R square is cancel out, 0 equal to r square plus h square minus 2hr. This implies that small r square equal to 2hr minus h square. Let this is equation number second. If capital B represents the volume of cone then V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. This implies that V equal to 1/3 pi, value of r square is 2hr minus h square into h from second. This implies that V equal to pi by 3 in bracket 2h square r minus h cube. Let this is equation number 3rd. Differentiating both sides with respect to h, we get dv upon dh. This is equal to pi by 3 in bracket differentiation of h square with respect to h is 2h, 2 into 2h, that means 4hr minus d by dh, h cube means 3h square. Let this is equation number 4. Again differentiating with respect to h, we get d2v upon dh square. This is equal to pi by 3 in bracket differentiation of h with respect to h is 1, then we write 4r minus 6h. Let this is 5. For maxima or minima, dv upon ds is equal to 0. This implies that pi by 3 in bracket 4hr minus 3h square equal to 0. This implies that pi by 3 into, here h is common, then we write h in bracket 4r minus 3h equal to 0. This implies that 4r minus 3h equal to 0. 3h is equal to 4r, then h is equal to 4r upon 3. Here we find value of small h. Then putting the value of h, and that value of h is equal to 4r by 3 in third, then we get the required volume. But dear student, here we show maxima or minima, condition of maxima or minima. Then from 5, equation number 5, from equation number 5 we get equation number 5, we get d2v upon dh square at s is equal to 4r by 3. This is equal to pi by 3 into 4r minus 6 into 4r by 3. 3 to the 6 means pi by 3 in bracket 4r minus 8r. This equal to pi by 3 multiplied by minus 4r. This equal to minus 4r by 3 into pi. This equal to negative quantity. Therefore, at h equal to 4r/3, volume of coal is maximum. And in starting, student, in starting we write volume V equal to 1/3 pi r square h, means V equal to 1/3 pi, and value of r square is 2h r minus h square into h. V equal to 1/3 pi 2 h square r minus h cube. Putting h equal to 4r/3 in above, इसमें हम पुट कर रहे हैं h की वैल्यू 4r/3, देन वी गेट v equal to pi/3 into 2 into h, that means 4r/3 whole square into r minus h cube, means 4r/3 whole cube. This implies that v equal to pi/3 into 2 into 4 square, that means 16 into r square upon 9 into r minus 4 for the 16 for the 64 r cube upon 27. This implies that v equal to pi/3 into 16 to the 32 r cube upon 9 minus 64 r cube upon 27. This implies that v equal to pi/3 into LCM of 27 and 9 is 27, 9 3s are 27, 32 3s are 96 r cube minus 64 r cube. This implies that v equal to pi/3 into 96 minus 64. यहां से हम लोग स्टूडेंट माइनस करेंगे, ये हो जाएगा 32 r क्यूब है तो r क्यूब लिख लेंगे अपॉन 27, इसे हम लोग अरेंज करेंगे तो हो जाएगा pi/3 into 32 को प्रूफिंग के अकॉर्डिंग हम अरेंज करेंगे 8 into 4 upon 27 multiplied by r cube. This implies that v equal to 4/3 pi r cube multiplied by 8 upon 27. This implies that v equal to 8 upon 27 multiplied by 4/3 pi r cube. This implies that v equal to 8 upon 27 4/3 pi r cube. From equation number first we write volume of sphere. From first, this implies that volume of cone is equal to 8 upon 27 multiplied by volume of sphere. Hence, it is verified. Now, dear students, some question is given in Google Classroom app. Thanks.